Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Carolyn Ann and my channel is a lifestyle channel where you will follow us on our journey to becoming debt-free as well as financially stable. In today's video, we will be closing out our second paycheck in March and going over our third paycheck. If you're interested in this type of video, please stay tuned. But first, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers. Hey fam, welcome to the team. And to all my old subscribers, hey fam, welcome back. So guys, disclaimer. I just had my eye surgery on Thursday. Today is Saturday. I can see, but it's a little blurry out of my left eye. So bear with me as I close out our budget and go over our next week's budget. Also, I would like to wish my grandson Carter a happy birthday. So let's get started and let's see how we did. And because I use this orange, it might make it a little bit difficult, but let's see how we do. So for our budget from March the 14th through March the 30th, in our expense category, we budgeted $195.31 for our chiropractor, $82.99 for YouTube TV, $55.62 for our home alarm, $37.55 for our meds, $24.99 for Netflix, $16.19 for Amazon Prime, $15.25 for YouTube Premium, and $11.98 for Google YouTube. That came up to a total of $439.88. In our actual category, we paid $190.20 on our chiropractor. We had a little discount of $5.11, $2.99 on YouTube TV, $55.64 on Home Alarm, which was a difference of 2 cents, $40 on our meds, which was a difference of $2.45, $24.99 on Netflix, $16.99 on Amazon Prime, $15.25 on YouTube Premium, and $11.98 on Google YouTube. That came up to a total of $437.24, which was a difference of $2.64. We budgeted $590 for our cash envelopes, $350 for our sinking funds, $100 for our savings challenges, $25 for our backup funds, $60 for Navy Federal, and $20 for our extra backup money. That came up to $1,145. And in our actual category, we spent $560 in our cash envelopes, which was a difference of $30, $350 for our sinking funds, $100 for our savings challenges, $25 for our backup funds, $60 for Navy Federal, and $20 for our extra backup money. That came up to a total of $1,115, which was a total savings of $30. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $1,601.87, minus the expenses of $439.88, minus the cash envelopes of $590, minus the sinking funds of $350, minus the savings challenge of $100, minus the backup funds of $25, minus Navy Federal of $60, and minus our extra backup money of $20. That left a remainder of $16.99. In our actual category, our income was $1,601.87, minus our expenses of $437.24, which was a difference of $2.64, minus the cash envelopes of $560, which was a difference of $30, minus our sinking funds of $350, minus our savings challenge of $100, minus our backup funds of $25, minus Navy Federal of $60, and minus our extra backup money of $20. That left a remainder of $49.63, which was a total savings of $32.64. In our paycheck from March the 21st through March the 27th, in our expense category, we budgeted $420.50 for our phone bill, $102.15 for our Ally card, $142.99 for our homeowner's warranty, $115.52 for our life insurance, $7.62 for HP Inc., and $1.99 for Google Storage. That came up to a total of $790.77. We budgeted $630 for our cash envelope, $675 for our sinking funds, $100 for our savings challenges, $150 for our backup funds, $100 for Navy Federal, and $50 for our extra backup money. That came up to $1,705. In our income versus our expenses, we estimate our income to be $2,852.36, minus the expenses of $790.77, minus the cash envelopes of $630, minus the sinking funds of $675, minus the savings challenges of $100, minus the backup funds of $150, minus Navy Federal of $100, and minus our extra backup money of $50. That left a remainder of $356.59. So, fam, as I stated, I did have my surgery March the 20th, which was Thursday. What it was, they removed the inflammation out of my eye. I have what's called Fuchs disease. They removed the inflammation and they removed my cornea and replaced it with a transplant cornea. So it's still healing. It's still a little blurry, but I can see through that eye. I can see colors, I can see numbers, I can see everything. It's just a little bit blurry, and that's because it's full of air. They're waiting for the air to dissolve so that way everything will be clear. So that was a success, and I hope that I didn't make any mistakes in this video, but I'm trying to use that eye as much as possible. I am hoping to go to work Monday, but I did take off Monday just in case. So if not, I'll go to work Tuesday. And once again, happy birthday to my grandson, Carter. I hope you enjoy your day. I'm wishing you many more. So fam, if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. And if you stuck around this long, please consider subscribing and joining the family. We'd love to have you. But that is all for this video, fam. Please like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification button so that you'll be notified next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, fam.